So, hello everyone. I am Shivari Rathore. Today I am with CA Govind Chandak and Mr. Ashish Nayak. We are from Finsam Wealth and I am Zenjis. I am asking question to them that how to invest like real Zenjis and what to start and where to start, how much amount we should start and what for research. That is my question to.
Okay, so let me refine that question.
Okay.
So let me ask this question with our CEO and MD. Govindji, what do you think is the right way of investing for today's Gen Z, considering they're more into iPhones and all other kind of investments? But the real attention should be to SIPs and in form of investments, tangible investments. So what should the formula they follow?
Yeah, that's a very burning question Ashish is asking. So first of all, before answering the question, we have to understand the mentality of Gen Z. What is Gen Z? Like we were the kids at that time. For our parents also, we were the Gen Z.
Correct.
Only the terminology now changed.
Is changed.
Means what? Ever energetic. Gen Zs are the ever energetic. They don't follow the herd mentality. First of all, you have to understand.
Right.
They always want the new things, new learnings, and everything new.
Correct.
Okay. And they are very much, we can say the agile. Agile means what? एक जगह नहीं रुकते वो. हर बार उनको quick. They want quick results, or they want the quick action, or they are the best quick decision maker. है ना? So, but that brings the new life to the whole concept of the investing.
Right.
Listen, what happened nowadays? Everyone tries to mold the Gen Z's mentality, which is not going to happen. It's not a controllable fact. We have to understand their mentality,
Right.
and according to their mentality, some of the options we have to give them.
Right.
Okay. So first of all, अगर Gen Z को मैं बोलना चाहूँ कि how should they start? They should start first investing themselves.
Right.
Okay.
Personal development.
Personal development, investing themselves. In the right sense, what I mean to say, like invest in the new courses, what they can learn. Continuous learning is the key for them as a Gen Z. Lifelong learning, and that too naturally that will brings them a new untapped opportunity in the market. And if you see now, Ashish, right now the ever dynamics of the business is changing very quickly and very fast.
Correct.
3 years back, whatever we have learned, whatever we have tried to implement, it becomes
Outdated
partly
today.
outdated.
Right.
Okay. So no business is right now, we are thinking ki any business is like 5, 10, 15 years sustain. Eventually the product might change.
Right.
Eventually the process might change. Eventually the object might change. Like coding, 5 साल 10 साल पहले हम कोडिंग की बातें करते थे.
Right.
Okay, Python and everything and lot of all the other coding. But now what happens? Coding become the AI agentic product.
Yes.
They have developed the coding become the naturally automated.
Right.
Okay. So lot of things, if you can see, continuously changing and upgrading.
Brilliant. So, what would be, is SIP the right way for them?
I must say
Considering that they're starting off
I
in
must say the first decade of the investing, first 10 years of their investing, be creating the money by investing in their own.
on their own selves.
Okay. Then second part, passive investing will come later on. So, like they have to create the liquid assets.
Right.
First of all, liquid courses, बहुत चीजें जब वो सीखेंगे और बनाएंगे, उसमें जो पैसा बनेगा, उसमें से फिर हम फ्रेगमेंटेशन करेंगे. वो जो सेकेंड लेग ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग रहेगा ना, that is naturally more what we can say the Finchdom way we say in lot of routinely things they have to follow.
Right.
Okay, that is no new things we have to come up with naturally.
Right. So, in summary, basically, invest in yourself.
First,
Personal development.
personal level.
First decade of your life has to go in complete personal development via courses, via upgradation and lifelong learning. Right. So, this would be the summary of the base for Gen Z investing.
To start with. Now you say routinely second leg of the investing. Naturally जब जेब में पैसा आएगा तब हम इन्वेस्टमेंट की बातें करेंगे. कि इन्वेस्ट इन फर्स्ट सेल किया, तरह की सैलरी पैकेजेस एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी मोर रिलेवेंट टू द इंडस्ट्री.
Correct.
इंडस्ट्री रेलेवेंट जब बन जाएंगे तब पैसा आएगा, पैसा आएगा
तब इन्वेस्ट
पर सबसे पहले तो मैं जेनजी को बोलूंगा इंश्योरेंस प्रोटेक्शन प्लान फटाफट लेकर,
करेक्ट
क्योंकि जो उनके एज में इंश्योरेंस प्रोटेक्शन प्लान
हाँ।
मिलते हैं दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट 10,000 11,000 1 करोड़ का।
यस बिकॉज यंगर यू आर इट इज बेटर टू कीप एक
इंश्योरेंस
इंश्योरेंस
कब लेना चाहिए जब उसकी लिस्ट जरूरत, जब उसकी मोस्ट जरूरत रहेंगी तब ना कंपनियां खड़ी रहेंगी
ना
ना अंडर इंश्योर्ड इंश्योरेंस जो बोलते हैं वो कोई कंपनियां देगी ही नहीं। बट जब जरूरत नहीं है तब सबसे कम प्रीमियम रहेगा, जब हेल्दी है तब इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहिए।
राइट सो कीप इंश्योरेंस एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट सेपरेट एंड इंश्योरेंस मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ टर्म इंश्योरेंस हियर which covers your life, right? And keep that completely different from the world of investing.
Correct. That is not for that is investment. It's like creating your own shadow.
Correct.
Creating your own shadow on term insurance. And secondly,
Right.
health insurance, mediclaim,
Very-
all kind of that too at early stage with very very less premium with all right.
Yes. Correct.
Because we are living in a so much polluted world, so much of there is no uncertainty is very high.
Right.
आप देखो तो रोड पे अनसर्टेनिटी है, घर के बाहर निकलो तो अनसर्टेनिटी, एवरीवेयर अनसर्टेनिटी।
Correct.
तभी तो इंश्योरेंस काम आएगा
हाँ.
और तभी तो इंश्योरेंस का कॉस्ट कम रहेगा।
Correct.
कवर सब करनी चाहिए हमें। ये दो चीजें होने के बाद फिर क्या बचता है? फिर बचता है आपके गोल पहले तैयार करने पड़ेंगे, लाइफ गोल्स।
Correct.
लाइफ गोल्स जेन ज़ी रहो, जेन अल्फा रहो, जेन बीटा रहो,
गोल तो गोल ही है.
ऑल काइंड ऑफ जेन ज़ी के लिए गोल्स तो लाइफ के वही है ना।
हाँ.
ओनली द मेथोडोलॉजी इज चेंज।
Correct.
जर्नी की स्पीड बदल गई है बट डेस्टिनेशन तो वही है।
Correct.
इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड, तो डेस्टिनेशन तो वही है। तो आपकी फिर क्या आएगी, जैसे आपको अपग्रेड करने हैं, छोटे छोटे चीजें अपग्रेड करने हैं, आपकी मैरिज रहेगी, फिर किड्स होंगे,
Family
फिर
होगा.
एजुकेशन रहेगा, फिर रिटायरमेंट प्लान रहेगा, तो इट विल ऑल अलोंग, ये सब चीजें तो चलती रहेगी।
Correct. That's the story of the life.
दैट्स द स्टोरी ऑफ द लाइफ एंड इवेंचुअली एवरीवन हैज टू फॉलो दैट पाथ।
Right.
Okay, so Gen Z they generally jump into the stock, they generally jump into the F&O, which is very risky
risky.
for their mental health also. Okay,
Correct.
and it's very risky for their future. जो विजन उनको उस पे चलना है,
Right.
गोल्स उनको अचीव करने, उस पे काफी रिस्की होता है।
And as per SEBI report, for all Gen Z,
Yeah.
they should know that only 5% make money in the market. The rest 95% don't make money.
But that 5% naturally स्क्रीन के बाहर नहीं निकलते।
हाँ.
They have to sit on the screen.
Yes.
But they do their active working
Yeah.
with all the algo trading and
And everything.
But it required lot of patience, lot of
Correct.
skill.
Correct.
फिर उसके लिए उनको बाकी सोशल लाइफ से भी कट ऑफ होना पड़ता है। Only Saturday
You have to be dedicated Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
Right.
But active में अगर पैसा कमा सकते हो आप, being in the business,
Right.
being into the niche skill which you are working on, जैसे AI से वगैरह काम करके, be it lot of things means new things, business management skills सीख सकते हैं,
Right.
सब चीज सीख सकते हैं।
Right. So I hope this answers the question for Gen Z.